Hello guys, it's me Adya. Welcome to Adya Tales, and this is my first official video in which you are hearing me talk. So this video is very special for me, and in this video we'll do unboxing. So guys, I got this cap from Amazon and I bought this with my own money and I'm so happy with this. And let's unbox it. I'm really excited. Oh, guys, this is a cute Kuromi cap. I love this so much. I'm loving it. So guys, this comes in a cute Ziploc bag. I love the sound that it makes. It's quite protected though. Another layer. Yes, more. Open it up. Guys, this is how it looks like, and we still have one another layer in. Out. So guys, this is how it looks like. Let me try it on. So cute, guys. Just look at it. Look at the Kuromi. I love it so much. It looks so cool. Yay! So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!